Yo, 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 what up, players? Today we are going to fix my buddy Alex's guitar. And this is a very special guitar to him. It is, in fact, the first guitar he ever bought. The story goes that when Alex was 9 years old, his father brought him to Sam Ash and said, pick any guitar you want in this store. And what Alex came out with was a sexy Silvertone guitar that you see here today. Now, over the years, this thing has been used and abused, and now in its current state, it is not producing much of a tone when you plug it into an amplifier. Alex, of course, was very distressed and wanted me to take a look at it, and I told him that this would be his Christmas present. So as you can see here, I'm getting some erratic behavior from the guitar when I plug it into an amp, and when I move the pickup selector switch, I'm starting to see some sound. Now, I had a very sneaking suspicion that this could be fixed very easily with a little spray of contact cleaner. Lo and behold, that fixed the issue in about 10 seconds. And this is often the case with audio electronics. A can of contact cleaner will do you wonders when you are trying to repair something. So always have some on your hand. Well, I guess not on your hand, I meant on hand. And I felt a little bad about this being Alex's Christmas present because this kid, of course, got me a Devo figurine, he got me a record, his boy got me another record, and all I did was spend about 10 seconds, spraying some contact cleaner in a guitar. So I figured I'd go all out, I'd give this guitar a total tune-up, I'd clean it up, and I even bought him a strap off of eBay to slap on the son of a bitch. So the first thing I did was open up the back plate that covers the volume knobs, the tone knobs, and the pickup selector switch. I gave that stuff a nice little spray of contact cleaner, really worked it in there. And as you can see, the back plate for this stuff actually has a foil coating on it, which is actually a pretty nice feature for a cheap guitar like this. Then I opened up the whammy bar compartment, and I actually took out one of the 3 springs because I noticed that the whammy bar was really stiff, and I got a little more of a natural action when I only used 2 springs, so I did that. Then I gave the guitar an old rub-a-dub scrub to get all the dirt and grime and dust off that has been, caked onto this guitar. I even got out my metal polishing compound to really shine up that chrome. I did not touch the fingerboard. I really do not like to clean fingerboards. I like to keep all the dirt and grime that has, settled up over the years on it. Then, after that, I gave it a fresh set of strings, I set the intonation, and then I finally set the action for all the strings. I gave this thing a total tune-up. I gave this thing a little play, and I really liked where it's at. I'm actually really impressed with the quality of this guitar. For being a cheap Silvertone, it actually plays really great. And to finally make sure that this guitar was up to its full potential, I, of course, had to do a nice little jam. And for this one, I really tried to channel Alex being 9 years old in his bedroom, singing and playing guitar. So the song gets a little silly at points, and I'm a little all over the place, but let's just deal with it. Yeah, that was, interesting. I gotta say, that's the first time I improvised Johnny Rotten on the spot, so I guess we'll just end that here, and, all's well on that weirdness. Alright, peace, boys!
A friend is a friend to the end of the end, that's forever.
It's subtle, it's artistic, and best of all, you don't have to worry about the fickle whims of fashion.